So could we have another fight? Loading hearts, no fights, no buts for the vicious cycle controlled by an evil insanity. Profanity has no vanity. Welcome, my friend, to a night in our circus where we're looking for submission and you're just a guy with heart. We're held away by roaring, now we're wanting out. Can you shock us? Can you tame us? We want your body now. Now behave, for the voices in the hall will try to beat you up alive. So before the show begins, please don't hold it in caution, cause my tongue will be crumbling dust. We are the torture, we're not your friends, so long as we're not visible. What makes us wrong? We are the content, trouble inside. What's left or right, what's taken on nothing is now inflexible. We are the torture, we're not your friends, so long as we're not visible. What makes us wrong? We are the content, trouble inside. What's left or right, what's taken on nothing is now inflexible.
Open your heart and give it to me. Breathe new insanity.
So you read the news. What did you see? For there's no truth to defend by costly deeds. We have our signs to show that we're alive. We're dead as far as they believe. We're all puppets taken by a Jesuit in disguise. It's a fact without the ties. Link us together, we're finally forever, ready to show you our surprise.
I can't take it, scale me up, wish me dead tonight. We wanna be like you. We wanna be like you. Presence tears me down deep inside the core. Get it out of my mind. Get it out of my mind. Puppets taken by a just to break the skies. It's a fact without the time. It's a fact without the time. We got together, we're family forever, ready to show you our surprise.
Behold the horrors, they lurk beneath the shadows of remorse. You wouldn't know, of course, but I force a new judgment day. On this day you will repay your respects to all that may lurk in between your mind and mankind. So have a seat and be afraid. Fear's is about to commence the final ritual. One body's all we need for this to be complete. And when the day begins to take form, you won't be leaving those doors. You'll only live with us inside the darkness as we tear you up inside. I was left behind. All this torture will unwind. I was never all that kind. If you were to rewind, then you would find I was left behind. Take our time to run and hide. I will catch you all the time. This night no longer shines. Your tears divine. You'll now be mine. Behold the terrors, you won't believe what I have done to you. I've made it look brand new, oh how cute. But don't digress, I'm the ringmaster you see. In this horror game you flee. I take up every shadow, believe me. Now have a seat and grab your light. Tears begin to run, you try, but dark thoughts are the common grounds. I give myself to be complete. Be as it may, our courtesy remains. So we offer you our darkest passion. Take off that blindfold that heals and reveal your soul. That night I was left behind. All this torture will unwind. I was never all that kind. If you were to rewind, then you would find I was left behind. Take your time to run and hide. I will catch you all the time. This night no longer shines. Your tears divine. You'll now be mine.
You dare bring your filth into my lair? Well then, let us descend.
Reborn again, our suits are now refined. Breathing new life inside our tomb tonight. You have no idea what we've been through. Time and time again. Don't hold it on to our deadliest demise. We can't keep you
Take it from our broken crimes. We have no place to go, but you know. Take your turn to run and flee, but that's your destiny. Stop holding back from me.
They burned it all down. They burned us alive. They made us look like clowns. Our souls are wrong. They lied down just to send to the king.